Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you about an optional activity that you have for your fraction unit called pixel art. And in our pixel art, what you are going to be doing is you're going to be using this numbers document that I have emailed to you to create a work of art and then figure out the fraction of the different colors that you've used to create your artwork. So here are the directions. You're going to use this color key over here on the right hand side to create a work of art on this grid over here. And how that works is when you type a number in to the box and hit return or tap away, that box will turn that number or that color that's corresponding according to the key over here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to count up the number of each color that you've used in your artwork and record it over here in the table. So for example, if I used one red, that would be one red. And then I'm going to figure out the fraction. I'll tell you right away that there are a total of 100 spaces on the grid. And so when I then have to figure out what fraction of my artwork is red, I'm going to create a fraction over here in this cell by typing in 1 and then using a slash, and then 100 is my denominator because there are 100 spaces on the grid. Okay, so let me show you an example that I've already started to create for you here. So here is my example, and I'm trying to create a little dog profile or dog portrait here. So my dog has blue eyes. So here is this other eye. I'm going to type in a 6. This is going to be his nose. So I want that to be black. So I'm going to type in a 10. And I forgot a piece of his ear. So I want that to be brown. That's going to be 9. And then he's wearing a little hat. And so that's the top of his hat is going to be green as well. So now that my portrait is done of this dog that I made here, I'm going to count up, for example, my red spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are a total 4 red spaces. And so if there are 100 spaces total on the grid, 4/100, that is the fraction of red spaces in my artwork. Here I have orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange squares in my work of art. And so that's going to be 5/100 for orange. So 5/100ths of my artwork is orange. And I'm going to keep doing that with my entire artwork. So if I have a lot of white, maybe I want to fill that in with some background color. Maybe I want to put some clouds or a sky or some grass in the background or something like that. So you are going to create your artwork using the color key here by just typing in the colors, just like I showed you. Count up the number of each color and record them here on the grid on this chart over here where it says number of squares of each color. And then you're going to turn that into a fraction, knowing that there are 100 spaces in the whole grid. I look forward to seeing your very creative pixel art.